In makeup application, a quality blending sponge can make the difference between a seamless, airbrushed look and a patchy finish. Beauty blender dupes offer similar performance at approachable price points, expanding access to tools that influence texture, coverage, and finish. Product number 1. Collection Makeup Sponge Set, latex-free. This latex-free, high-definition 6-piece set from AOA Studio emphasizes versatility with a range of shapes designed for powder, cream, and liquid products. The pink sponge is compact, 1.5 by 2.5 by 1 inches, and features a beveled flat edge, rounded sides, and a precise tip intended to improve coverage and control. The set touts wet, dry use and easy cleaning, with the focus on cushion bounce and edge-driven precision for detailed application. Performance-wise, the multiple shapes are designed to tackle different areas: the flat edge for broad application, rounded sides for blending, and the precision tip for hard-to-reach spots. In practice, the latex-free composition reduces irritation risk for sensitive skin and minimizes absorption relative to denser foams, though overall absorption will still vary with product formulation. The antibacterial properties allow for a quick wipe down, and set resists bacterial growth, thus aiding in hygienic use, though regular cleaning is still recommended. Product number 2. Makeup Sponge Set 5-Pack. Microporous, low-absorption, soft latex-free foundation beauty sponges. Beaky's 5-Pack includes multicolored teardrop sponges designed to minimize product absorption while delivering a marshmallow-like softness. The set emphasizes low porosity with a classic teardrop shape that blends smoothly and supports precise contouring with a pointed tip. The sponges are latex-free and vegan-friendly, and are advertised as budget-friendly while meeting pro standards. Performance-wise, the key claim is reduced absorption due to fine, uniform pores, which translates into less product wastage and more consistent color payoff. The teardrop shape balances speed, broad surface, with precision, pointed tip, making it versatile for foundation, concealer, and contour. Product number 3. Cosmetics Beauty Sponge Blender, latex-free. The Estetica sponge is a single-piece, edgeless design in black, marketed as vegan and cruelty-free, suitable for powder, cream, and liquid makeup. Its edgeless design aims for seamless coverage with a rounded end for cheeks and a precision tip for small imperfections. The sponge can be used wet or dry and is lauded for ease of cleaning and minimal absorption. Performance-wise, the edgeless design minimizes harsh seams and helps create a smoother blend across large surface areas, while the precision tip supports targeted concealing and contouring. The non-latex foam formulation appeals to sensitive skin users, and its multi-use capability makes it a flexible tool for contouring, blush, primers, and powders. Product number 4. Miracle Complexion Sponge. The Miracle Complexion Sponge from Real Techniques is a premium 4-pack option designed for a streak-free, dewy to natural finish. It uses microfine pores to create a seamless base for liquid and cream products with a 3-point application technique, flat edge for application, rounded sides for blending, and a precision tip for concealing. The pack emphasizes durability, non-irritating latex-free material, and vegan, cruelty-free credentials, with guidance to replace every 30 days. Performance-wise, the sponge's density and microporosity produce a buildable, light to medium coverage that remains natural when used damp. The 3-zone approach helps users consistently replicate a foundation routine, while the durable construction supports repeated use with proper cleaning. Product number 5. Collection Makeup Sponge Set Makeup Blender, latex-free. This is another 6-piece AOA Studio set, distinguished by a pink hue and a high-definition claim with the same latex-free vegan construction. It emphasizes a beveled flat edge, rounded sides, and a precision tip to enable full coverage, seamless blending. The set is designed for long-term use with easy cleaning and quick drying, offering a budget-friendly option for busy routines. Performance-wise, the multi-sponge approach mirrors product Zero, but with a distinct pink colorway and slightly different dimensions, 2.5 by 1.5 by 1.2 inches. The included sponges balance softness with resilience, enabling both wet and dry usage.